I have more than one shirt. I know that like 3 videos, I'm wearing the same shirt in 2 of them, but you know, whatever. It's rainy, it's Sunday. I want to have some fun, so let's do a home project. So this desk was in my room, and now we're gonna snap, and it's gonna be gone. So I want to use this stool here to place this projector I have on it. Hence the reason I got rid of the desk. And we are going to project onto my wall. The problem is this. My cord is too short. So I really wish I would have known earlier today that I didn't have an extension cord, because then I would have went to Target and got one. But here we are now, mid into the project of me getting a TV on my wall, projector, whatever, and I gotta leave the house and go to Target. So turns out the projector doesn't work. It won't read inputs. It's an old projector from work. We had replaced the projector with a 70-inch 4K television. And the projector's been sitting in my office for probably almost a year now since then. And so it's a really bad projector. It was a bad projector when I did it. I was just bored and I figured, why not set up a mini home theater in my bedroom? But it looks like I'm going to need to go ahead and just get a television for my bedroom, which I'm gonna wait and do because I don't really want to spend $300 on a TV right now, $400. But hey, this was like a fun rainy day thing to try, I guess. And while that maybe ends the rainy day project, at least my bedroom is clean now, and so I have that to be thankful for, because this desk was just taking up so much space here in my room, and now I have new space to get to decide what to do with. Anyway, on the bright side, at least I got some bubbly, which is really awesome, from my Target trip. And yeah, so thanks for hanging out on the Coffee with Craft vlog series. I will see you guys tomorrow.